Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Olwatch, a stock market researcher and investor, and also a cryptocurrency researcher and investor. Today's topic is this: don't buy stocks. Don't buy stocks. I'm referring to a book by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch was one of the CEOs or directors at Megaland Stock Investment. It's like a fund manager. He was one of the hedge fund managers in America. Peter Lynch says, don't buy stocks, especially if you are lazy to do research. Don't buy stocks. If you are lazy to read balance sheets, don't buy stocks. If you are lazy to follow up the companies, don't buy stocks. Why is Peter Lynch saying so? Peter Lynch is saying so because investing is a full-time job. Even if it's not a full-time job, but it's like a part-time job for you, you'll still have to work. You'll have to follow these companies like Safaricom. What are they doing now? What new products are they launching? Which countries are they branching in? You have to know. If when are they releasing dividends, for example, you have to know. So if you are lazy to follow Safaricom, what products they are launching, when are they releasing their financial records, the last year's financial records, how was it? Did they make a profit? Did they make a loss? Are you able to calculate the projections? If for the past 3, 4, 5 years they have been making profits, is it possible? Is it likely to keep? Are they likely to keep making those profits? If last year they made a loss, is it possible that the losses will continue? So if you are lazy to follow the balance sheets, to check on the balance sheets, to read the balance sheets, don't buy stocks. If you are lazy to do your homework on the stock market, don't buy stocks. Peter Lynch says so, and I will read. It is page 12. Peter Lynch, again, the book, Beating the Street. Peter Lynch says, and I read, in fact, millions of Americans should refrain from buying stocks. Millions, not just a few people. Millions of Americans should refrain from buying stocks. These are people who have no interest in investigating companies and cringe at the sight of a balance sheet. If you see a balance sheet and you want to run away, don't buy stocks. And who thumb through the annual reports only for pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see annual report, the only thing you want to do is scan for pictures like a child. Don't buy stocks. For one thing, the annual report is heavy financial information. You need to know what is the CEO saying. You need to know what are the projections. You need to know last year how much were the sales revenue. How was the sales growth? How is the earnings per share? You need to know various fundamentals of this company. How much debt do they have? This debt they have, can the debt sink them? How much market share do they have? How are they doing in relation to their competitors, for example? If you are not keen to understand all this, you're wasting your time in the stock market. So Peter Lynch says, don't buy stocks. Buy stocks if you are ready for the hard work. These people who are rich in the stock market and who are making money in the stock market, they are not fools. They are ready for the hard work. And if you are not ready for the hard work, wachana nayo. Hakuna pesa ya bure. Stock market is work. And if you are ready to be in the stock market, if you are ready to invest in the stock market, I have one message for you. Be ready to read. Be ready to research. Be ready to follow the companies. Be ready to follow the news. Be ready to follow the market. I repeat, be ready to work, be ready to follow the news, be ready to follow the companies, be ready to read, be ready to follow the annual reports, be ready to follow the dividend dates. All these things you must follow. Money will not come to you on a silver platter. It's work. If you are new here, our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. That's where we talk about the stock market 24/7. Have a Telegram group, and that's where we talk about the stock market 24/7. I also have classes, VIP classes. In the VIP classes, I teach you all these things I'm talking about. And you need to learn all these things I'm talking about. Once you learn them and you have them at your fingertips, then you can easily invest in the stock market without any worries. And you can easily invest in cryptos without any worries. If you are investing in cryptos and you have zero idea about the coins and the future and the direction and the fundamentals, also it can be very risky. Because you know what? Some of these coins just drop or they crash, like Luna crashed sometimes last month. Yeah. So you need also to be doing some research on these companies. Don't just follow blindly and don't just invest blindly. Investing requires that you do some research and some reading. Yes, investing requires that you do some research and some reading. And one of the books I would recommend this book. This is a book I produced about the stock market. It's my book, written by Peter Olwach. You can get your copy. This book is 1,500. It's a very good book. It will guide you a lot. So I recommend a lot of reading. I recommend a lot of research. I recommend a lot of following up of the companies. I recommend a lot. You must be knowledgeable in some of these things. If you just want to follow blindly, then you will make losses. And I'm not here to help you make losses. I'm here to help you make profits. And we need to work together in this. If you are new here, subscribe, join our Telegram group, and learn more about the stock market. Otherwise, bye. See you in the next video. And see you in the July VIP group. Together, let's learn. Together, let's learn. Bye. See you. And remember to subscribe. And share this video with your friend. And by the way, you can invite me to your workplace. I will train your people for free. Invite me to your church. I will talk to them about the stock market for free. Invite me to your chama. I will talk to them about the stock market for free. Invite me to your job. Invite me to your circle. Invite me to your chama. Invite me to your family, high school, college, university. Invite me everywhere. I'm ready to engage people on the stock market for free, and especially if you're buying the books. If you're a group of more than 10, 20 people and you're ready to buy 10, 20 books, invite me. I will talk to you about the stock market for free. Invite me to your company. Let's talk about the stock market for free. If everybody in the company is buying the book. Thank you. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.